Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Shreya. I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm going to be telling you about my fragrance layering combination part 2. Okay, so first up is this fragrance layering combination. This one is from Body Shop, perfect for winters as well as for dry skin people during summers as well. I really love it. By the way, this is really thick and creamy. Can you just see? I have just bought it few days ago and I've just started using it. This is how thick the balm looks. It literally looks like a thick butter balm. Do you see it? It is so thick. It's just so thick. Quickly blend it in. It's all gone. It doesn't give you any shiny finish. This is a matte finish, but this is how my skin looks. It is very thick and it's very nourishing. And on top of that, if you want to go in with some fragrance, this one is from Nykaa. It literally complements the scent of that body butter. This one is called Swiss Vanilla. This one is a dupe of Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. Fragrance, by the way, has notes of almond, amber, vanilla, and musk. This one is a very woody musky fragrance, very nice and very cozy. So this one goes with any of the nutty fragrances that you have in your collection. So yeah, you can definitely pair this up with that shea butter cream, perfect for the winters. Now next, this one is the fragrance layering combination that I'm talking about. This one is from Plum. It is called their vanilla caramel body lotion. And then this one mist is from Bath and Body Works. It is called vanilla bean noel. Now this fragrance layering combination is really nice. Why am I saying this? Because this one literally has almond, pistachios, very sweet caramel in it. It's a very caramelly fragrance, and on top of that you're gonna go in with vanilla bean noel. The scent profile is really same. They're not different at all. This one also has sweet caramel ka note in it, so they complement each other very nicely. So I would recommend trying this fragrance combination out. You are going to smell like a delicious dessert, like a cupcake or freshly baked treats just out of the oven. Very warm and very cozy, perfect for the season. The next combination that I really wanted to talk about is this body lotion. You can literally pair anything with this body lotion because this doesn't has its own scent. Now this one is from Bioderma. It's called their Atoderm Creme Ultra. This one is called Creme Hydrant Ultra Nourishment. So this one is for normal to dry sensitive skin, and this particular body lotion is white and thick in color. This one leaves a very nice healthy finish on your skin. Not just this one is for your face, but this one is also for your body, so you can literally use it on your body as well. Layer this up with Bath and Body Works ka Vanilla Bean Noel, Nykaa ka Swiss Vanilla, or else you can even try it with Muse Beauty Ke perfumes or any of the perfume that you want, because this doesn't have the scent of its own, and that is the best part. Go in with any of these two if you want, and you are going to thank me later. So this is my scent profile that you can check out if you want, and you are going to love it. And that is all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. If you want more suggestions related to scent layering combinations, then let me know into the comment section. I'll make some more for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.